Hello, teacher. My name is Angel, and I'm back here with another challenge, the chapter 9, which is about maps. This challenge was interesting because, well, actually, it was pretty hard. Well, you see why, okay? But, okay, first of all, we have the map here, okay? Um, I already set up everything. Here's the design specifically. First of all, I want to change the colors of the markers of the map. Okay, so in this video we're going to calculate this one distance from another. Okay, let me change to red. This one is going to, well, orange, sorry. And okay, okay, green. I want this to be green. Okay, so what what I want to do in this video, here in the blocks, okay, you can see it right here, but here's a level, okay, which says distance, and it's going to tell us the distance between one marker and the other, okay. And well, actually I already put some markers in where I wanted in my school, okay, but here in the blocks it was pretty hard, believe me. Oh, stop it. Okay. Okay, so when we are going to start the app, well, it will begin with, there will be no markers, okay, so that's why you saw here that there are checkboxes. And let's see, visible. Okay, I'm going to put here marker one activated. Okay, now here too, but with marker 2, marker 2 activated. Okay, why I want this? Because, well, I want to know when one marker is visible or not. Okay, so when we start the app, and there will be no markers activated, and there's going to be a notification that says calculating coordinates. Okay, then here when we're going to start with the app, the the map is going to be about 30 13, sorry, 13, I don't know how to spell it, but it is going to be about a sum of 13, okay. It's going to calculate the latitude and the longitude. Okay, so when we go to the checkbox, it's going to be visible when we click it, okay, and it's going, at the same time it's going to calculate the coordinates, okay. And like, first of all, the longitude and then the latitude, sorry, vice versa, and latitude and then longitude, okay. And here in the text box is going to appear that. Let me change those names to marker one, coordinates, okay, and number 2, marker 2 coordinates. Okay, so when the checkbox one is activated, the first marker is going to fill and is going to calculate its coordinates. The latitude first, and below that the longitude. And same is going to happen with the checkbox number 2 or the marker number 2. Okay, here in the marker, in the first marker, when we are going to drag it, it says here the first level is going to tell us how is going to be the hmm, how, well, what are the coordinates specifically. First of all, the latitude and then the longitude, but only when we stop dragging. I mean, we're going to click it, we're going to drag it, and when we stop clicking, we stop, well, sorry, we stop holding the click with the marker, is going to calculate all the coordinates, okay. And it is going to appear the same thing with marker number 2, and below both text boxes is going to appear a message where it says what is the difference of distance between one marker and the other. Okay, so let me, okay, here we are. Okay, let me, well, this actually happens like this. First of all, there's where we actually, if I want to go over here and go to map in the design, we enable, no, where is it? No, sorry, it was in the location sensor. We enable the location sensor, but here's a little bit of problem and I don't know how to fix it. But maybe in the next video I can tell why happened that, why that happened. We enable this, we go to the app, and I don't know why I already set the map the coordinates that I wanted to be. Okay, but here I wanted to be to calculate the coordinates of my school, of Tecmilenio school. Okay, you can see it over here, but I'm I'm in the Angeles, in Los Angeles. I don't know what happens that, I mean, here is Mexico. Here's supposed to be the the well, my position. Okay, this arrow that you see here is supposed to be over here. Okay, here, but whatever. Okay, so we stop this. Okay, when we click this, the first marker is going to calculate our position. Like you can see here, it says, but there's nothing below both text boxes because we don't have the other marker calculated yet. Okay, so we click it. We're going to click and hold. We wait until it is selected. We're going to drag it somewhere, and we're going to stop the hold clicking. Okay, and there it goes. The distance between one marker and another is 44,534 kilometers. Okay, so how do I calculate it? Here in the box, there it says how why it is calculated. Okay, so the is going to be rounded principle, and if we don't want it to be rounded, it's okay. There's no need this to be. I mean, there's no need to. It has to be rounded, but for my I want it to be that way. Okay, so what happened here is first part. It is, yeah, when we stop, when we get the I don't know, the latitude, because we have here, when the marker gets the latitude, is going to subtract it to the marker number one of longitude. Okay, and it is going to be raised up by the number of two. Okay, and that is going to be added with the rest of the latitude and the longitude, and again it's going to be, I don't know, yeah, powered up by the number of two. Okay, and actually that's pretty much how does these markers works. Okay, we can drag both of these, and it is going to be always changing. Okay, look, there it goes. And okay, why is this, why could this be useful for? We, with maps we can always, well, without maps we can always get lost. Okay, there's no doubt about that. But if we can make our own app and calculate where are we, the exact coordinates, and we can get lost, we can tell from where we are to where do we want it to be. Okay, here it is. We're in the Angeles, for example, and I want it to be between the Baja California North and Baja California South. Okay, well, we can tell that there are 43,133 kilometers between one place and another. So, well, actually, that's everything. That is pretty useful. Okay, you just have to know the coordinates and what you're doing with the map. Okay, so like I said, this was pretty interesting, specifically with the maths around here. I know that the way I explain is not right, but it is pretty interesting. Okay, so that was everything for this video, and thank you for watching.